Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about combustion and flame. This unit is a very common phenomenon, and all of you might be knowing about this. In this unit, we will conduct different type of activities. So, for the first activities, we have collected certain materials, such as this one is a glass rod. This glass rod is collected from our science laboratory, and for conducting this activity we have collected this glass rod. We have collected another material. You can see that this is a iron, and this is a thin wire of iron. You can collect this iron from your home, and different household substances you can use for this activity. As we are going to do certain activities on burning, so matchstick is very essential, and we have collected this matchstick and matchbox. And for this activity you can collect matchstick and matchbox from your home. As we are doing certain burning activities, charcoal is also very essential, and in this activity we will use charcoal. You can see that these are the charcoals, and these charcoals will be used in this activity. So you can find out this charcoal from your surrounding, and use these charcoals in the experiment. As it is a activity related to burning, so matchstick and matchbox are very essential, and we have brought this matchstick. These are the matchstick and this is the matchbox. So before conducting this kind of activity, it is very essential for you to have this matchstick. In this activity we are also going to use candle, and I have collected this small pieces of candle. You can also use candle of different colors and different size. In this activity we are going to use this beaker, and we will use this beaker for the purpose of covering the flame of the candle. So you can bring this beaker from our science laboratory with proper permission. You can see a liquid inside the test tube. This liquid is alcohol, and when you are going to use this alcohol, you should be very careful, and you can collect this alcohol from your science laboratory. This is a stone, and which is easily available. For conducting certain activity you have to bring this stone. We have also collected certain materials such as piece of paper and thermocol, etc. So these are the very common materials, and you can find these materials from your surroundings. Today we will learn about combustion and flame. In your daily life you might have seen the burning of different substances such as petrol, diesel, wood, candle, paper, etc. You can remember that these substances are different in nature, and their burning is also different. So today we will conduct certain activity to understand how different substances burn. So let us burn a candle to start the activity. Can you identify this? Yes, this is stone. This is a piece of stone. Let's try to burn it and see what is happening. You can see that when we are trying to burn this stone, it is not burning. So nothing is produced from the burning of these substances. So you can say that this substance is not burning. This is a piece of paper. Let's try to burn this. You can see that this paper is burning, and some kind of flame is also produced, and smoke is also produced from the burning of this substance. you can see that there is production of smoke. This side smoke is produced and here flame is produced. You can see that this is piece of charcoal. Let's try to burn this and see what's happening. We have put this charcoal on the fire and we can see that some kind of flame is not observed here. As we have observed in paper, this kind of flame is not observed. Now you see the tip of the charcoal. You can see some kind of white part. This is due to the burning of charcoal, but no flame is produced from this from the burning of charcoal. Can you identify this substance? This is magnesium ribbon, and this magnesium ribbon is collected from our science laboratory, and we will burn this magnesium ribbon and see the result from the burning. When you are burning this magnesium ribbon, you must be very careful and do this activity with proper guidance of your teacher. Without any guide, you must not do this activity because it is very dangerous. You can see that this is a matchstick. Let's try to see how it burns. You can see that when we put this matchstick on fire, it suddenly burns without any time. This substance is a glass rod. Let's try to burn this and observe what is happening. You can see that we are trying to burn the glass rod, but it is not burning. We are trying to burn this glass rod and we can see that this is not burning. From the activity, we can see that there are certain substances which were burning and there were certain substances which were not burning. So the substances which are burning are known as combustible substances and the substances which were not burning are known as non-combustible substances. So let's do another activity to understand what is the necessity of what is the requirement of burning process. So you can see that this candle is burning and I have a beaker. I have brought this beaker from our science laboratory. Let's try to put this beaker on the fire and observe what is happening. Students, you can see that we are gradually putting this beaker closer to the candle, and when this beaker is close to the flame, then you can see that the flame is becoming flicker, and when we put this, then there is no flame. So we understand that when we put this beaker on fire, the flame goes off. That means there are something inside the beaker which was essential for the burning process, and this substance is air. So air is a very essential thing which is necessary for the burning process or for the combustion process. Now you try to observe certain things. This is a test tube, and within test tube I am having alcohol. So doing activity with alcohol is very dangerous, and you have to be careful for doing this activity. Carefully see this. We have seen that when we put the paper with alcohol on the fire, it catches fire suddenly. Let's see what is happening with a plain paper where alcohol is not added. You can see that when we are just touching it and removing it, fire is there is no fire on the paper. But when we put some alcohol here, with just a single put, the fire is on the paper. This is a wood, and you know that wood is a combustible substance. So if we put this wood on fire, it will burn. So let's see the burning process. You can remember that when we are burning the paper, then within this time the paper was burning, but in case of wood we see that the wood is not burning. So we can say that different substances burn at a different temperature. For example, alcohol burns at a lower temperature, whereas wood and paper burns at little bit higher temperature. When we compare between wood and paper, the burning temperature of wood is much more than that of paper. This temperature is known as ignition temperature or ignition point. So we can say that ignition temperature is the temperature at which any substances start burning. To understand about ignition temperature, let's do another activity. We have seen that different substances are burning at different temperature due to difference in ignition temperature. So for understanding this concept, we are going to conduct another activity, and in this activity we will use two paper cups. I have made these paper cups for this activity, and you can easily make the paper cups. So in this activity, in one paper cup we will put water and try to burn it, and another paper cup we will not put water and try to burn it and see the result. In this activity we will use these two paper cups. We will put water in one paper cup, and another paper cup will be empty, and we will try to burn these two paper cups with the help of two candles. So for this purpose I am bringing another candle. I will put water in this paper cup. You can observe this. This paper starts burning, but this paper is not yet burning.